In the last class we have seen how to write the chemical formula for the given chemical names. Okay, and I have given you homework. Okay, and we will discuss it later. Now you know how using a symbol and valency we have to crisscross and write the chemical formula. And if you know the chemical formula, if they have given chemical formula, we have to find out, determine the molecular mass and formula mass unit. I'll tell you what is that. So, if you know the chemical formula, you will be knowing what are the atoms and how many atoms are present in a molecule. Okay, for example, H2O is a molecule. Okay, that mass we have to find. We can find it. But before that, what you should know? Here, hydrogen is the symbol for, this is the symbol for hydrogen, H, and this is the symbol for oxygen, O. And how many atoms are present? No, 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen. That we will be seeing in this. So, in order to find the molecular mass, first we should know the chemical formula and the number of atoms present in that we should know. And then only we can find the molecular mass. If they have given chemical name, you should know to write the chemical formula. But if they have directly given you chemical formula, no problem. Okay. Okay. Now, what is molecular mass? That is, I'll give you the definition. The molecular mass of a substance, okay, is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of a substance. For example, first, what is molecular mass? What is molecular mass? The definition for molecular mass. The molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic mass. Atomic mass, okay, at least what is given in your book, page number 35. If you know it, at least you can do this. If it is not in the book, they will give you the information. Okay, so the atomic mass only important here. So the molecular mass, how to define it, of a substance, one molecule is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms. Of all the atoms, okay, in a molecule of a substance. Okay, so what is molecular mass? It is the sum of means we have to add all the atoms by its atomic mass which is present in a molecule of a substance. I tell you how it is. So what is a molecular mass? The molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of a substance. When I say example, you will understand. So first we should know the molecule, okay, the name of the molecule and chemical formula, and then we should know what are the atoms present in that, and we should know the atomic mass of each atom and how many atoms are present. We have to add together, we will get the molecular mass, and its unit is U, unified mass. Unified mass. Okay, U is the what is it? Small letter U is the unit for molecular mass. Okay, let us find it. So, what is the molecular mass? The molecular mass of a substance is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of a substance. Let us do it. You can understand. It will be very easy. Okay. Let us go into the example. calculate the relative atomic mass of water. Okay, water molecule. So they have asked to find the molecular mass of water. Okay, that we have to find. What we have to find? The molecular mass of water. Okay, water. What is the formula? H2O. H2O. Okay, here, what are the atoms present? Hydrogen and oxygen. What are the atoms present? Hydrogen and oxygen. How many hydrogen present? 2 hydrogen. How many oxygen? 1. So, there are 2 hydrogen atoms. So, how many atoms? 2 hydrogen atoms plus sum of atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule. So, in this molecule, there are 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. There is 1 oxygen. Okay, what is atomic mass? You refer page number 25. I will tell you now. Atomic mass of hydrogen is actually 1.008, but accurately we cannot write. Approximately it is 1. And oxygen it is 16. Oxygen it is 16. So this is 1U and this is 16U. Okay. And here, if you multiply, okay, so they have given hydrogen, okay, the atomic mass is 1U. Oxygen it is 16U. Okay, so we are going to multiply and add it. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 16. That is equal to 18U. That's all. It's very easy, no? They will give you formula. You should know the atomic mass. If it is not given in your book, they will give that information also. Just you have to write how many atoms are present and you have to multiply with the atomic mass and add all the atoms which is present in a molecule. So this is very easy, no? Hydrogen atomic mass is given and oxygen is 16. So if you add this atomic masses and multiply with the number of atoms, you will be getting the molecular mass. So the molecular, therefore, and hence the molecular mass of water is 18U. That is the answer. Okay, the molecular mass of water molecule. Water molecule. What is that? Is equal to 18U. Okay. So the molecular mass of water, okay, is H2O formula molecule, okay, is equal to 18U. That is the answer. Okay. Now we have seen the first one. We can find another molecular mass. Okay. Yes, it is given that to find the molecular mass of nitric acid. Okay, HNO3. So we have to find the molecular mass for this. For that, what we should know first? What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? 1U. Okay, nitrogen it is 14U. Okay, and oxygen it is 16U. For that you should know. Okay, the molecular formula is given already. So now we have to calculate. So how many hydrogen? 1 hydrogen. How many nitrogen? 1 nitrogen. No problem. How many oxygen there are? If it is given like this, this is only for oxygen. So how many oxygen atoms? 3 oxygen atoms. Okay, now what is atomic mass of nitric acid? HNO3. It is 1 into, you have to supply the value. 1. Hydrogen atomic mass is 1. Nitrogen it is 14. And oxygen it is, you have to write unit now. At last you can write. O is 16. So what is that? 1 plus 14 plus, so 3 6 are 18, remainder 1 3 is 3, 48. So that is equal to, so 48 50, 62, 60. So the answer is 63U. So the molecular mass of nitric acid HNO3 is 63U. This is the molecular mass of nitric acid HNO3. It is nothing but nitric acid. Okay, so what is molecular mass? The molecular mass of the substance is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule of a substance. So this is the, okay, it's easy. Let us do one more which is not given in your book. CH4. It's very easy now. The carbon value is 12. Okay, carbon value is that atomic mass is 12U and hydrogen is what? 1. Then now CH4, 1 carbon plus 4 hydrogen are present. Okay, that we are going to substitute. So 1 into 12 is equal to 12. Let's see that. 4 into 1 is the value of hydrogen. So now, so 12 plus 4, that is equal to 16U. What is the molecular mass of, this is methane, okay? This is molecular mass of methane. Molecular mass of methane is what? 16U. That's all. Is it very easy? You can find it. I'll give some homework, okay? At last I'll give you homework. So molecular mass is just, you should know the atomic mass and how many atoms are present. You have to multiply with the atomic mass of the particular atom and you have to add it. That's all. That is a molecular mass. Similarly, here what is molecule? Molecule means there is no charge. So group of atoms, okay, they are held together without any charge. We have seen ions. But in molecule no ions will be there. Okay, but in formula unit mass. Formula mass, okay, formula unit mass. This is also similar to molecular mass. This is also similar to molecular mass. Okay, in this formula unit mass, the same only here, but here that will be a ionic compound which has charge in them. Okay, nothing else is different. Same like molecular mass, but here the compound will have charged species, cation and anion. Okay, now we will write the definition. The formula unit mass, similar like the same formula unit mass, okay, of a substance, of a substance is the sum of, you can tell me, sum of atomic masses of atomic masses of all the atoms, in a formula unit of a compound. Okay, same as molecular formula. Okay, it is also same as molecular formula. It is its unit also. Formula unit mass unit also. Formula unit mass. This also is this unit also. Okay, the formula unit mass unit is U. This also U. It is represented as U, small u. The formula unit mass of a substance is a sum of atomic masses of all the atoms in a formula unit. Same in a compound. Okay, of a subcompound. The same. So here also it is also like molecular mass. But what is the only difference? That no charged species. Here it has charged species. Okay, we will see the example. You can understand. It is similar to molecular mass. How we found for molecular mass for the compounds, no? That is molecule without charge. Same for formula unit mass. Let us see that. For example, okay, sodium chloride. Okay, what is this? It has Na plus Cl minus. This is a charged ionic compound. Okay, that's all the difference. So sodium chloride. Okay, the atomic mass of sodium is 23. Can you remember? Or you can see page number 34. Okay, it is 23. And what is for chlorine? Okay, it is capital letter and small letter. Okay, it is for chlorine is 35.5 U. Okay, and now you are going to add. See, you have to find the formula unit mass. For sodium, how many sodiums are there? Only one. And how many chlorine? Only one. Now you have to substitute the value. It is 23U plus it is 1 into that is nothing same only, no? So 1 into 23 plus 1 into 35.5. Now add it. So 23 and it is 35.5. What is the answer? So 0.5, 5 plus 3, 8, 3 plus 2, 5. And the unit is U. So the sodium chloride, the formula unit mass of sodium chloride is nothing but 58.5. So the formula unit mass of sodium chloride is 58.5 U. Okay? Can you find it? Is it easy? I hope it will be easy for you. Let us see one more example. Calcium chloride. What is that? Calcium chloride. Here, the atomic mass of calcium is 40 U. And chlorine is just now we have seen 35.5 U. And substitute it. How many calcium? Only one calcium. And how many chlorine? 2 chlorine is there. Okay, just substitute it. 1 into 40 plus 2 into 35.5. So that is just 40 plus, okay, if you multiply it will be 71. So 235 is 70.5 into 2. So it is 1. So it is 71. So nothing but 111 U. So the value of this is 111 U. This 111 U. Okay, that is the formula unit mass of calcium. Okay, let me give some examples. Exercise. One more example I will give you, which is not given in your book. You can find it later. For example, sodium sulfide. Let us sulfide. Okay, we can find it. Sodium sulfide. What is the value of sodium? 23. 23. Sulfur, it is 32 U. Okay. Now, when you substitute, how many sodium is there? 2 sodium. And how many sulfur? It is 1 sulfur. That is equal to 2 into 23 plus 1 into 32. So now it is nothing but 46 plus 32. That is equal to 78 U. 78 U. So the value of the formula unit mass of sodium sulfide is nothing but 78 U. Okay, it is very easy. Now let us see some homework I am going to give you today. So the last homework and this homework, okay, you please write it and in your classwork. Okay, now the homework. Chemistry homework. the molecular mass. The molecular mass A for the following. For the following compounds. For the following molecules. So calculate the molecular mass for the following molecules. First one, C2H6. Okay. Second one, C2H4. Why not always a similar? We can have C6H6. So you find this molecular mass for the compounds. Now what are the compounds? C2H6, C2H4, C6H6. Okay, find the molecular mass for the following. And second question is, you're going to find the formula unit mass. Okay, you're going to find the formula unit mass for the following ionic compounds. Or formula unit mass. Okay, so calculate formula unit mass for the following ionic compounds. First one, magnesium chloride. Second one, calcium oxide. Third one, what else we can have? Magnesium, calcium, sodium hydroxide. So for this you have to refer page number 35 for the atomic mass. Okay, if you practice this homework, you will come to know regularly what is the atomic mass for some elements. Okay. So today what are the things we have seen? Today we have seen what is molecular mass. Okay, the molecular mass of an element is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule of a substance. Okay, and its unit is U. Similarly, what is formula unit mass? It is the formula unit mass of a compound is the sum of all the atoms of atomic masses of all the atoms present in a formula unit mass of a compound. Okay, both the formula for both that molecular mass and formula unit mass, the unit is U. Okay, and do the given homework and refer page number 35. Thank you.